decided to do a hair hacks video for you guys so you guys can have the best hair in winters. And I know that winter is a month that everything works against us, our skin, our hair, the clothes, everything. So I got you guys and I hope you guys like this video. If you just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you follow me on my Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into it. So tip number one would be don't shower in really hot water. I know that in winters you feel like I need to take a really hot shower just to relax myself and to just cope with the cold that is outside. But you have to understand that if you take really hot water on your hair, it's going to dry your hair, even your skin, and that's not good. Make sure that you find a temperature which is okay for your hair as well as for your skin, so it's not stripping off your natural oil and you're still enjoying your hot bath. Do you guys know there are a lot of people out there who don't use conditioner? Like, conditioner is a must. If you're not using conditioner, make sure that you're using conditioner in winters because it's really important and you guys need conditioner. Focus on the ends of your hair, and if you're using a conditioner which is light, make sure that you switch it during winters with a really deep conditioner because that's what it's going to moisturize your hair and giving it a really nice healthy shine, which everybody wants. This next tip is really random, but trust me, it's like the best thing. And invest in a good silk pillowcase because silk pillowcase is good for when you're sleeping and it doesn't cause any friction to your hairs and doesn't cause any breakage. So it's like the best. It's really important that you use minimal of heat on your hair during winters because already your hair is going to be dry and the weather outside is like really not doing any justice. So make sure that you're using less heating products. This hack is something that I've been doing quite a while. So I always used to dry my hair straight away when I come out from the shower, and it's not really good for your hair. So instead of doing that, I air dry my hair, and when it's almost 50 to 60% dry, I then go on with the hair dryer, so it's like less prone to breakage because when you're having wet hairs, you're really prone to damage your hair and also strip off its shine and elasticity. So those were all my tips. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video, and if you want any more hacks, just comment down below and tell me. And if you guys know any hacks, just comment down below and tell me so we guys can also know what hacks do you follow. And I hope you guys like this video, and please just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.